is NAB Show Live.
Andrew Hancock here at NAB Show. I'm here with Andy, and we are here in the amazing Killer Tracks booth like we do every year. We love Killer Tracks. You guys are amazing.
Thanks, Andrew. We're excited to be here. How can you not love NAB?
Absolutely. This place is a wonderland of toys you can just put your hands on, and it's fun. But you guys have some exciting stuff this year.
That is absolutely correct. Killer Tracks is a production music library, so when music matters, look to Killer Tracks no further, and we actually have some really cool software innovations that will help save people time this year.
That's awesome, because I know when I'm editing, that is the most excruciatingly painful part is you have the edit that's all kind of done and good, but then you got to find music that you can use, and it's just clicking and listening to seconds of songs, second after second after second. It's just painful. It hurts.
It's always at the end when everyone's like, hey, where's the video? Come on, are you done? Where's the music?
Yeah, it's the worst. So how can you solve that problem for me?
So we just released an extension panel for Adobe Premiere Pro. So what that does is it allows you to search our website, download tracks, look at our theme playlist right in your Adobe Premiere program.
Right within Adobe Premiere?
Correct.
Where the edit is already happening is all right there?
Correct. Yeah, you just go click the Windows button on Adobe Premiere, go down to Panels, and download the panel off our site. It's easy to open, and if you can see on the screen right here, I have it open, so you can type in search terms right there at the top. There's your search results with tracks. You can play to preview, and then you can also press download and download tracks, and it goes right into the bin right there.
I was going to say, so can you preview in real time how it would sound with your edit?
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. If you download the track, you do have to download it so you can put it in the timeline, but yeah, it happens in seconds.
That's unreal, because no longer you have to be on the website, download it, go to your downloads folder, import it, and then, oh man.
Correct. So it saves a lot of time, and it gives all the search functionality that we have on our website available within Premiere. So you have the same experience we give our users on the site within Adobe Premiere.
I was going to say, because your guys' library is absolutely ginormous. I mean, you've been at this for decades, no?
Yes. Yeah, we just released our 3,000th album, and we have, with all the edits and cut downs, we have about 175,000 tracks now, and we release 15 to 20 new albums per month. So it's almost a new album Monday through Friday, every day of the week for the whole year.
That's unreal. You guys are killing it. See what I did there?
I love it. Killer Tracks.
Awesome.
And, on the back end of the Adobe Premiere panel, we also have a new cue sheet generator helper. So you can click export your XML from Adobe Premiere, and on our website, after you log in, it says cue sheet right under your login screen. Click that, you drag your XML file in there, and literally within a minute, you get a full Excel sheet of the time in, time out, track to use, all the information you need for a cue sheet that people pull their hair out and don't like doing, so we'll take that and help them.
You're making it too easy for people.
That's what we try to do. We want you guys to be able to do what you do best and let us handle the rest.
That's awesome. I love it. Guys, come check out Killer Tracks. This plugin's available now?
Correct. Yeah. The Adobe plugin is on our site. There's a link that says extension panel for Adobe Premiere, and we have it for Mac and for Windows, so it's free to download, so you can do it right now today.
And that's just killertracks.com?
That's it, killertracks.com.
All right. There we go. Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much, and can't wait to see you again next year.
Absolutely can't. See ya.
Thanks, Andrew.